Welcome to Q&A, Social Security Disability Today. This program is brought to you by the Reeves Law Firm, representing you and your Social Security and disability needs. If you have a problem or questions regarding Social Security and disability, call attorney Anthony Reeves. Here's your host, attorney Anthony Reeves.
Okay, another question about continuing disability reviews. My reviews are every 5 to 7 years. I heard that people that have their reviews in 5 to 7 years are the ones that might not get better. Okay. One of the things that I tell people, and I know that's my favorite phrase, is one of the things I tell people, and the reason why I say this is because I want you to know that I'm consistently saying this to as many people as possible. It's kind of a broken record. But let me just cut to the chase. Do not focus on the frequency of your continuing disability review as an indication of the severity of your condition. Let me say it slower. Do not focus on the frequency of your continuing disability reviews as an indication of the severity of your impairment. So don't think that just because they've spread them out that they presume that your impairment is probably not going to get any better. Do not do that. They may be doing it based on age. They might be doing it based on the type of impairment that you have. They may be saying to themselves, we're spreading it out because it has been in their experience that the type of impairment you have is one that they reasonably would expect would improve over this particular period of time. So keep that in mind as well. Also, I need you to be aware of this, that I believe, if I remember correctly, the federal government has recently allocated an increased amount of money towards doing continuing disability reviews, which means that maybe the gap you're having is because they don't have the staff to be able to do the reviews in a quicker time period. That's about to change. Okay? So, I say this as kind of as a caveat to you. Do not get caught up in the fact that it seems like, oh man, I keep having these reviews and they're so spaced out, they must think I'm never going to get any better. Don't get caught up in the trap. Do not believe the haze. Get away, move away from the pipe. I need you to focus on the bigger picture. You need to focus on getting better. You also need to focus on the fact that you still bear the burden of proving you're disabled, and do not get caught up in the fact that there's a gap in between each time to justify to yourself that, oh, clearly the government thinks my condition is not going to improve because they're taking so long to do a review.